Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here for NTMarkets.com with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, S&P 500 E-mini futures daily chart, and what we've got here is we are stuck between the red line. Let me zoom in. 50-day exponential moving average, which was key, along with the 20-day back on October the 9th when they tested and rejected. You've got the 50 here, and then underneath you've got the middle band that's trying to assert itself as support. Middle band comes in today about 1920.80. So you've got a battle between these two lines. It's set up very nicely for our subscribers yesterday. We had talked about resistance at the 50 and support at the 20. You got two cracks at the 50. Then we went down to the 20, overshot it a little bit, but we've bounced ever since. And as long as the middle band holds up as support, the bulls remain in control. If the middle band breaks, then the fallback position is the 200-day exponential moving average, which is slowly creeping up to the 1898 level. If the bears can take both of those levels back, then I would fully expect to test the lows of 1813 to 1815 sometime over the course of the next several days. But as long as that green line holds up, if the bulls can get over the high from the 9th, that starts to open up a look at the upper band. Lower band, middle band, upper band. That's how the ES likes to trade. A lot of people think of a lot of different ways to completely overcomplicate it and bring in a lot of factors that don't really speak to what's happening on the chart. And for now, this chart is really giving you a pretty good signpost as to what's going on. You've got a battle between two levels. A very simplistic way to think of it is over the red line, bulls win. Under the green line, bears win. So that's what I'll be looking for today. And whichever group is going to win is going to be the one that wins the morning, either with a low that gets bought or a high that gets sold, and then higher highs from there or lower lows. That's how it would all develop. So I'll be looking, this morning to see what kind of a high versus a low that we'll get. Is it a high that gets sold, or is it a low that gets bought? Okay, everybody have a fantastic day. Check us out on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Come check out the website, PrincetonTrader.com. Come trade these concepts with us in the chat room. We would love to meet you. Come take a trial and see if we can help your trading, and if this stuff can work for you too. I will be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.